Hello guys. In this section, I want to talk about and install environments that we need to start writing our dating application. Let's go and see what we should install then. For first step, we need to install Cursor AI. It's something that we can install and use it to write code with. So you can simply go to this address in your browser and simply tap on download, depend on your OS, for example Mac OS or Windows or Linux. You can download that and it will be really simple. Just tap next and maybe define a location for that and you can get access to this. Actually, as soon as you install that, you will face something like this. As soon as you install and run that, you will face something like this. And it's using Visual Studio. As you know, Visual Studio is open source IDE, and the Cursor company is using that Visual Studio, and we can use that, simply write our codes if we need to write. That we won't do, we will use, and we will bring all the codes from AI and write our application and work with AI here. Something that is really helpful in Cursor, if you tap on Command and L in your keyboard, you can directly see that we have access to AI models that we have. For example, these are the models that we can select here. Okay, we have chat here that you can start chatting, exactly something like ChatGPT. Also, we can use ChatGPT, it's okay, but you should go to ChatGPT, define everything for that, and say, for example, we have this application, it's working like this is my code, or we should copy and paste a lots of time between our code editor, IDE, or ChatGPT or Grok or anything else. But the advantage of this Cursor is to have internal AI that we can use here and ask our question. And the main feature that we have here is the composer. What it will do, when we have composer here, you can, for example, have some references. For example, you can reference to the document of a specific, for example, framework or language. And then you can ask your question depend on that document. You can make a reference from your code base and tell to the composer that this is my code base, and depend on this code base, this page and this page, do something for me. It's really important that we don't need to switch between our code editor and, for example, ChatGPT, Grok or something else. So for first step, we need this Cursor and install in our machine and see, for example, how it works. Just please play with that, ask some small questions, see how it works or something like that. Then in the next section, we will go through how we should create a React Native application and create our structure.